Have you ever wondered if your Koho card is a prepaid card or not? It's a common question among Koho users, and for good reason. With so many different types of cards out there, it can be confusing to keep track. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Koho and answer the burning question, is it a prepaid card? What is a prepaid card? Before we get into Koho, let's quickly define what a prepaid card is. A prepaid card is essentially a debit card that you load with money up front. Think of it like a gift card, but for everyday purchases. Unlike credit cards, you can't borrow money on a prepaid card. You only have access to the funds you've already deposited. Koho, a closer look. Now, let's turn our attention to Koho. Koho is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial products, including a debit card. But is this debit card a prepaid card? The short answer, no. While Koho's debit card shares some similarities with prepaid cards, it's not technically a prepaid card. The key difference lies in the way the funds are handled. How Koho works. When you sign up for a Koho account, you're not required to load funds onto the card up front. Instead, Koho allows you to link your bank account to the card. This means that whenever you make a purchase, the funds are automatically withdrawn from your linked bank account. No pre-funding required. Unlike prepaid cards, where you need to load money onto the card before using it, Koho doesn't require any pre-funding. This gives you more flexibility and convenience in your day-to-day spending. Cashback and rewards. Another key difference between Koho and prepaid cards is the cashback and rewards programs. Koho offers cashback on purchases, as well as other perks like travel insurance. These benefits are not typically associated with prepaid cards. Safety and security. Koho also prioritizes safety and security. The card comes with fraud protection and other security features to keep your money safe. So, what is Koho? If Koho isn't a prepaid card, what is it? Well, Koho can be best described as a hybrid debit card. It combines some elements of prepaid cards, such as the ability to use it for everyday purchases, with features that are more commonly associated with traditional debit cards, like linking to a bank account and earning rewards. To summarize, Koho is not a prepaid card. It's a hybrid debit card that offers a convenient and flexible way to manage your finances. With its cashback rewards, safety features, and ability to link to your bank account, Koho provides a valuable financial tool for many people. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.